moteur.
Ah oui, mais faut pas exagérer.
Ah oui, carrément. No engine light. I don't know if you can see it, but the needle is moving slightly. There, now you see it. So I've just cleaned my ICV. What I'm gonna do now is roll up my window, which is already up. Just gonna set my phone. There's the little ditch. We'll do it again. Not so much. One more time. Nothing. Just a little ditch. Now I'm gonna brake, remove the handbrake, and put in rear. Neutral. The idle is nonetheless higher than before. Maybe because the engine is not enough warm for the moment. I'm gonna put in D. Nothing to fuss about right now. Back in neutral. The handbrake. I'm gonna try with lights on. So right now only the distress lights, the first position. I'm gonna put on my fog lights, front and rear. Now I'm gonna try with drive. It's much better from I can see. Let's see after for a long ride with a warmer engine. I'm gonna check for the sound of the engine when I roll up my window. Sounds pretty normal to me. I'm gonna rev a bit just to see. I think it's as normal as it can be, but maybe for the perfect idle I search, maybe it's my CCV valve that needs to be replaced, and it should be replaced because I have inspection 2 coming. So I asked to my BMW dealer to replace it during the inspection. So I guess it's the best I can do with my own hands right now. Thank you so much for your help and your advice about cleaning my ICV valve. And nonetheless, I still maintain that changing my exhaust camshaft sensor has been improved greatly my throttle sustaining, because otherwise when I just rev as much as this, the rev would go down to the idle rev. It will not maintain, but as you can see, it's not perfectly still, and my foot isn't moving an inch. It's just going up, down, up, down. So maybe my CCV valve. Alright,